Now is the time to know that all you do is sacred. So why not consider a lasting truce with yourself and with love? Now is the time to understand that all of your silly ideas of right and wrong were just a child's training wheels to be laid aside when you can finally live with integrity and love. I am a divine envoy whom love itself has written a holy message upon. My child, please tell me, why do you still throw sticks at your hearts and love? What is it in that sweet voice inside that causes you fear? Now is the time for the whole world to know that every thought and every action is sacred. Now is the time for you to compute the inconceivability that there is anything but love. Now is the season, the moment, to realize that everything you do is sacred.